pharmaceuticals. Welcome to Getwell Oncology Private Limited, where hope takes the form of innovation and excellence is our guiding light. Strategically located in the industrial heartland of India in Bawal, Haryana, just an hour's drive from the bustling capital city of Delhi, is our manufacturing site that is designed and built in adherence to cGMP norms and regulations. We harness the power of cutting-edge technology to develop and produce a wide range of oncology injectables, including liquid vials and lyophilized vials of volumes ranging from 0.5 milliliters to less than 100 milliliters. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure embodies highest standard of manufacturing sterile formulations. The complete line is built on isolated technology, thus ensuring zero product contamination and protection for both the operator and the environment. Our filling line is integrated with a lyophilizer and auto-loading and unloading system, contributing to a brighter future in healthcare. At the heart of our facility lies our utility area. Prevention of cross-contamination is critical to our process. Our efficient building management systems and environment monitoring system enables us to automatically monitor and control our manufacturing process. Our utility area houses our pristine water system that helps safeguard the integrity and quality of our products. That includes two-pass reverse osmosis, ozonization, deionization, and multi-column distillation system. We have an effluent treatment plant for a sustainable future and are a highly environment-conscious company. Our manufacturing process is a symphony of precision and care. From the moment of receiving the raw material to its transfer to our warehouse maintained under efficient EMS and BMS, our sophisticated systems ensure that the required temperature and relative humidity are maintained relentlessly. Active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, are dispensed using a closed containment system to avoid any contamination while safeguarding both personnel and the environment. Each batch is prepared in a closed contained system using validated procedures under controlled conditions to exacting standards. Stringent quality checks are performed to ensure each product's integrity. Empty vials are inspected for any visual defects prior to their washing using an automated vial washing machine. Vials then go through the washing and depyrogenization process in a harmonized way. One of the most critical stages in our manufacturing process is vial filling. The process of vial filling to capping is fully automated and carried out in an isolated grade A environment wherein continuous monitoring of both non-viable and viable particles is done simultaneously. As a part of our several in-process quality checks, the vial filling machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art online check weighing system which ensures accuracy in fill weight. The complete vial filling line is equipped with advanced technology that ensures automatic rejection of any compromised vial due to improper bunging or capping. Our advanced technology ensures accuracy while providing efficiency. Throughout the vial filling process, stringent quality checks are performed to verify the integrity of each vial, such as sealing quality, visual inspection for particulate contamination, and any other defects. Filled and sealed vials are externally washed using a qualified automated external washing machine to remove any drug residues from the external surface of the vial. Moving to the lyophilization process, our integrated lyophilizer is equipped with automatic cleaning place and sanitization in place systems that clean and decontaminate the lyo chamber prior to every batch. The auto-loading and unloading system in our lyophilizer ensures a seamless manufacturing process. Lyophilized vials undergo rigorous quality checks to look for any deviations, followed by a thorough external cleaning. Packing of products is done using continuous automatic vial labeling machine equipped with an online coding inspection system. Our packing line also follows a system of serialization and track and trace. This further ensures the authenticity and efficient distribution of our products. Behind every exceptional product lies our meticulous quality management system. Our quality control department comprises of Instrumentation Lab. This lab is equipped with cutting-edge automatic testing equipments complying with 21 CFR Part 11. Chemical Lab that analyzes using validated test methods and verifies the quality of our products, thus assuring the purity and consistency of our formulations. And Microbiology Lab, ensuring and maintaining sterility throughout our production process. Our walk-in stability chamber monitors the long-term stability of our products under various environmental conditions, assuring their efficacy till the product's shelf life. Our quality assurance and documentation teams work in tandem with all departments to ensure that every step of the process adheres to regulatory norms and quality benchmarks. At Getwell Pharmaceuticals, we envision being a trusted ally of healthcare professionals and institutions in the relentless battle against cancer. Getwell Pharma India Private Limited. Better science, better life. For more information, visit our website at getwelloncology.com.